divide 0 with any non-zero number, we will get remainder 0. 0 divided by 3, 0. 0 divided by 5 is also 0. Okay, clear? So we have completed factors. Now let's talk about multiples. Multiples of any number is a number that we get after multiplying a number with an integer. Okay, suppose we have to find multiples of 4. आपको कहा है कि multiples of 4 निकालिए. इसका मतलब होता है कि आप ऐसे नंबर्स निकालिए 4 के जो उससे कम्प्लीटली डिवाइड हो. तो 4 के टेबल में जितने भी नंबर आते हैं वो 4 से कम्प्लीटली डिवाइड होते हैं. देखिए 4 into 1 4, 4 into 2 8, 4 into 3 12. These are all multiples of 4 and they are completely divided by 4. Okay, so when we have to calculate multiples of any number, just write that numbers table. Okay, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, like this. Okay, now let's see the property of multiples. Properties of multiples. Every number is a multiple of 1. We all know that. We can get that same number by multiplying it with 1. Okay, 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. Every number is the multiple of itself. This is also true. Every number is multiple of itself, means 4 is also a multiple of 4. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. See, the smallest number among this multiple of 4 is 4, and after that every number is greater than 4. So the smallest number is that number only. We can find as many multiples of a number as we want. Just we have to increase the number. First of all, we were multiplying 4 with 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. The process will go on and we can find as many multiples as we want. Okay, this is all about multiples. Okay, clear? Just remember the table to find the multiple of any number. Now, rule of divisibility. So what is the use of rule of divisibility? हम divisibility rule किस लिए अप्लाई करते हैं? सपोज अगर हमारे पास कोई नंबर है, ठीक है, और हमको बस नंबर देख के जानना हो कि ये किससे डिवाइड हो जाएगा कम्प्लीटली, तो हम उसके लिए डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट लगाते हैं. सपोज एक कोई नंबर आपको दिया है एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड वेदर दैट नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 2 और नॉट. वी हैव टू चेक दिस डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट. तो 2 से डिवाइड होने के लिए हमको क्या चेक करना होगा? जस्ट इफ द डिजिट इन इट्स वंस प्लेस इज डिविजिबल बाय 2. अगर किसी नंबर के वंस प्लेस पे कोई नंबर है जो कि 2 से डिवाइड होता है कम्प्लीटली, तो वो पूरा ही नंबर 2 से कम्प्लीट डिवाइड हो जाएगा. ठीक है, जैसे 62, वी हैव गिवन 62, सो इट्स वंस प्लेस इज 2. 2 पूरा कम्प्लीटली डिवाइड होता है ना 2 से, देन 62 विल कम्प्लीटली डिवाइड बाय 2. ऐसे ही 74 में अगर 4 प्रेजेंट है वंस प्लेस पे, तो 4 भी 2 से डिवाइड होता है, तो इसका मतलब 74 पूरा कम्प्लीटली 2 से डिवाइड हो जाएगा. ऐसे ही 86 में 6 इज कम्प्लीटली डिविजिबल बाय 2, सो 86 इज डिविजिबल बाय 2. 8 is completely divisible by 2, so 98 is completely divisible by 2. So these all numbers are divisible by 2. Now ये तो हुआ डिविजिबिलिटी. हम चेक करेंगे 2 से. अगर वंस प्लेस पे किसी भी नंबर के वंस प्लेस पे 2 से डिवाइड होता है वो नंबर, तो वो 2 से डिवाइड हो जाएगा पूरा नंबर. नेक्स्ट, अ नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 5. So to check the divisibility test of 5, what we have to check is वंस प्लेस पे उस नंबर के वंस प्लेस पे या तो 0 प्रेजेंट हो या फिर 5 प्रेजेंट हो. Now let's just check it. We have given example 20 and 35. See, 20 at its ones place 0 is present, so 20 is divisible by 5. Yes. Now what is given? 35 at its one place 5 is present, so 5 is divisible by 5. We all know that, so 35 is divisible by 5. Next divisibility test is for 10. Just we have to check that at ones place 0 is present or not. See, at 20 0 is present on ones place. Okay, so it will be divided by 10. And also check this number 200 at its ones place 0 is present, so it is completely divisible by 10. Now the divisibility test for 3. अगर कोई नंबर 3 से डिवाइड होता है, जस्ट वी हैव टू चेक दैट कि वो जो नंबर है उसके जो डिजिट्स हमको दिए हैं उनका अगर हम सम करेंगे डिजिट्स का, तो वो 3 से कम्प्लीटली डिवाइड अगर हो जाता है तो वो 3 से डिविजिबल है. ओके, द नंबर 12 इज गिवन. नाउ लेट्स चेक द digit. We have to add this digit. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So 3 is divisible by 3. Yes. Now 144. 144, let's add the digit. 1 plus 4, what will get? 9. 9 is also divisible by 3. So we will write yes, the sum is divisible by 3. So 144 is divisible by 3. Now see 569. Add the digit. 5 plus 6 plus 9 will get 20, but 20 doesn't come in the table of 3, so it will not divide by it is not divisible by 3 completely, so we'll write here no. So only two numbers are divisible by 3, so the numbers 12 and 144 are divisible by 3. So this is about the divisibility test to check the number is divisible by 3 or not. Now to check the number whether it is divisible by 6, what we have to do is to check the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both. अगर वो नंबर 2 से भी डिवाइड होता है और 3 से भी डिवाइड होता है तो ही वो 6 से डिवाइड होगा. इसको हम क्रॉस चेक करने के लिए एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं. जब हम मल्टीपल ऑफ 2 निकालेंगे, 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 20, ऐसे ही 3 का मल्टीपल निकालेंगे, 3 6 9 12 15 18 21, तो हम देखेंगे 6 का मल्टीपल जो निकला है 6 12 18 24, ये सारे प्रेजेंट होंगे 2 and 3 के मल्टीपल्स में. ओके, तो इसीलिए रादर देन चेकिंग 6 डायरेक्टली, व्हाट डू वी चेक? वी चेक दैट नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 2 and 3. इफ दैट नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय बोथ 2 and 3, देन इट इज सेड दैट द नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 6. लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल. 24. हाँ, 24. Now we have to check the divisibility test for 2. At its ones place 4 is present, so 24 is completely divisible by 2. Okay, now divisibility test for 3. 24, 2 plus 4, what is the sum? Sum is 6, so sum is divisible by 3. So both the divisibility test holds true in case of 24. So 24 is divisible by 6. Understand? Next, the number divisibility test for 9. For checking 9, what we have to do is just add the digit and see the sum is divisible by 9 or not. See, 4 1 4, add 4 plus 1 plus 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 4 9. 9 is divisible by 9? Yes. Now 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6. 6 is divisible by 9? No. We'll write no. 5 plus 6 plus 0 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to 27. Now 27 is divisible by 9. See. So we'll write here the sum is divisible by 9. Yes. So the number 414 and 56088 are divisible by 9. Okay. Now this is all about 9. Now we have to check whether the number is divisible by 4. What we have to do is just check the last two digit, मतलब first two digit on the right side. 6 and 1. In the number 616, what we have to take? Just we have to take 1 and 6. Okay, last two digit. Here also last two digit. Here also two last digits. Here also two last digit. If the last two digits are divisible by 4, here 16 is present now. 16 is divisible by 4. Okay, completely. When we will divide 16 by 4, we will get 4. Okay, so the whole number is divisible by 4. Similarly, 808 is means that 8 is divisible by 4. So 508 is completely divisible by 4. Just check the last two digit. 00 is divisible by 4. Yes. 12 is also divisible by 4. So the whole number 12312 is divisible by 4. Now divisibility test for 8. सिमिलरली जैसे हमने प्रीवियस में देखा कि 4 से डिवाइड करने के लिए लास्ट 2 डिजिट हम देखते थे, लेकिन हम 8 से डिवाइड करने के लिए लास्ट 3 डिजिट देखेंगे. ठीक है, लास्ट 3 डिजिट में हमने लिया 416. 416 को हमने डिवाइड किया 8 से, तो देखिए 8 5 40, रिमाइंडर 1 बचा, ये 6 नीचे आया, यहाँ से हम 16 कितना होता है 8 इंटू 2 16, सो ये कम्प्लीटली डिवाइड हो गया तो हमको रिमाइंडर 0 मिल गया, मतलब 416 इज कम्प्लीटली डिविजिबल बाय 8, सो द होल नंबर 1416 इज डिविजिबल बाय 8. Similarly 8 is divisible by 8, so 7008 is also divisible by 8. 5400 is divisible, 400 is divisible by 8, so 540 is also divisible by 8. This is all about the divisibility test. So students, what you have to do is just revise all whatever I have teach you till now, and you have to do the exercise 4.1 as a homework. If you have any doubt or query, you can ask me. Okay, thank you.